If I told you there was a software that could transform any image into the video you imagine, would you believe how amazing that is? Yes, that software is Edimakor. In today's tutorial, I'll show you two different ways to turn images into AI-generated videos using Edimakor. Let's get started. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Method 1. Image to video. Now open Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI Video, Image to Video. Edimakor provides a variety of advanced AI video generation models, including the newly released Minimax H3 AI video model. For this tutorial, I'll be using Minimax H3 to create the video. First, upload an image, then describe your idea in the prompt box. For example, I want to make the dog float in the air while having tears in its eyes, creating an emotional and cinematic scene. Next, adjust the duration and resolution, then click Generate. The final result looks incredibly natural, with smooth movement and realistic details. Method 2. Reference to video. Now let's try another powerful feature. Select Reference to Video, and we'll continue using the Minimax H3 AI video model. This feature allows you to upload different types of references, including images, videos, and audio, to guide the AI generation process. First, upload a reference image, then describe the scene you want to create in the prompt box. For example, I want the sky to suddenly start raining while two people hold hands and run forward together. Then adjust the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, and click Generate. Take a look at the result. What a beautiful and romantic scene. With no complicated steps and no professional editing skills required, Edimakor allows you to transform simple images into stunning AI videos in just a few clicks. Download Edimakor today and start bringing your images to life.